Today we're looking at this pneumatic hydraulic stacker truck. This stacker truck has got forks on the front that tilt from the horizontal forwards to allow the decanting of large vessels. The purpose of the machine is where you have a vessel where when it gets low, you need to tilt it forward to really empty all the contents. It's an ATEX machine, and because it's ATEX, we've got an air connection, so it's a pneumatic hydraulic machine. The air powers the pump in the box, and that powers the lifting and the tilting function. So first of all, we've got it lined up with our fork pockets in our vessel. So we're going to push the unit forwards, nice and gently, line our forks up as we go into the vessel. And we just want to bring it in all the way until it touches up against the backstops. So we'll keep going. And we're touched up against. Then we come round the back. We take our securing chain, bring it round the bottom of the vessel, take any slack, and we've got a carabiner on this side, simply hook it in place. It's fine that it sits low on the vessel, but the main purpose is just retaining it for when we're tilting forward. We then lift up. That's now maximum lift height, about 1.5 meters. We also offer telescopic units which have another metre of lift height. So once we're at the height we need, we can tilt the vessel forward by pressing the tilt button on the rear panel. We're now at maximum tilt. So we can walk forward. If we were emptying this into another vessel or into another container, we can open our valve and decant the remaining contents of the vessel. Once we're finished, again we come back to our panel, we press our return button to bring it back to the vertical. And we then lower it back down to the ground. This machine, as mentioned, is ATEX rated for Zone 1 and Zone 21 areas. And we can also incorporate a weighing system. So if you need to weigh your vessel or weigh the contents, we can provide a weigh scale display which will show you the weight of the contents before you empty them. We're now looking at the rear control panel. Before using the machine, we need to plug in the airline connection into the side of the control box. The controls on the panel are up, lifting, and down for lowering. We then have our tilt functions, so we tilt forward and return. In the centre we have an emergency stop button. We press this down to cut all functions to the machine. To reset it, we twist it. We're now looking at a model with a weighing system installed. The weighing system allows us to weigh the vessel and its contents. As you can see now, we're at 0 kilograms. If we press the lift button, we can lift our vessel off the floor and read the weight of 181.7 kilograms. We offer the ATEX system, so this one shown is for ATEX areas, but if you had a non-ATEX machine, we can also offer a non-ATEX weighing display.